Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to do a quick oil change on my truck. I do all my maintenance. I gotta make sure everything's good. The snow just hit. There's a little bit of snow everywhere. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do a little bit of walkthrough and oil change because I have a maintenance required light. I forgot to reset it and it showed up when I did my past oil change. All it is basically reminding you that you already hit 3,000 miles or 5,000 kilometers. So I forgot to reset it last time I did an oil change. So I might as well do an oil change while that light's on. That way I can reset it. And I'll show you how to reset it as soon as I did my oil change and check whatever else is on the vehicle just to make sure it's okay. And also, it's winter. I don't want to be stranded anywhere. So, stay tuned. Alright, this is where it all gets confusing. There's a lot of tires out there. I mean, a lot of tires, a lot of oil. What you look for is the temperature of your own vehicle. Is either IW30, 0W20, and these are all the synthetic line. This is all like conventional oil, and yeah. So it depends on the make and the model of your vehicle. Every engine takes a different oil, so just check the factory specs on it. And quarts. The quarts is an important thing. I always take 5 liters because it's good enough for my truck. Smaller vehicles, 4-cylinder, takes like 4 liters. So yeah, so I'm just going to shop around for the cheapest one, and I'm going to do it really quick. So we're here right now. I already grabbed the oil and oil filter. I always get the original oil filter because it's designed better out of all the oil filters out there. And it's a Toyota OEM oil filter. And this was on sale today, so I didn't mind getting it synthetic. Doesn't really matter for me. Oil is oil, as long as it has proper lubricant on the engine. And yeah, and you're probably wondering why I have a plastic bottle. You'll find out why I need it. So let's just get this started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is go underneath and locate the drain. Let's see here. It's right there. Okay, so I have the drain plug here, and the O-ring gasket. We'll replace it because the plastic part, you can see it's a little bit worn out, so I would like to change it. So I got a new one. Just put it in, and this bolt is ready to put back in. So all the oil has been drained out, and now I'm going to put the oil in. As you can see, the oil filter is right there, right? Remember the plastic bottle? Well, there's a little drain plug. If you remove the oil will come out. There's a little drain there, so I need a plastic bottle just to catch it. And here is where you fill the oil. Vice versa, it's pretty much easier now from here. So let me get this started. Okay, before I let you guys go here, this is how you reset the service, like the maintenance service light. So, oh, it's hard to talk when you're holding a camera. So no more light. It's kind of hard to talk when you're holding the camera. You need two hands for it. So it's basically the oil maintenance light is just telling you that you passed 3,000 kilometers or 3,000 miles or 5,000 kilometers. It's just a reminder to do an oil change. So if you guys have the maintenance, like everybody has, like every new car has a maintenance light now. So all I have to just tell them, require them, just check the oil. You don't have to do your oil change right away, as long as the light's there, just to remind you that it's time for an oil change or something maintenance on it. So grab your dipstick. I can't do it by two hands. One hand here. Can't find a place to put it. Anyways, grab it, clean it off. You won't get a proper reading. Try to do this by one hand. Just to see how much oil is left. You can't barely see it, but there is oil in there. Depends on the manufacturing specs, how many quarts is there. I would do some research before you put some oil in there. If you're burning oil, that's a different story. I recommend checking your oil every week. Depends on how much driving you have. But if you idle too much, idle a little bit idling or drive a lot, the oil does burn. So I recommend just checking your oil all the time. Both of my cameras are running out of battery, so I'm going to keep this short. So anyways, if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Emails down below. And until then, stay fly and peace.